Welcome back, Truth to a T. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and leave a comment down below. Check the video description for valuable discount links.
Welcome to our video on how ChatGPT can be a game changer for law firms, or as we like to call it, how to outsource your job to a computer and still technically have a job, for now. Today we'll explore the frankly terrifying ways lawyers can leverage this powerful tool to streamline operations, enhance research efficiency, and maybe, just maybe, make legal services slightly more accessible. Now I know what you're thinking. John, AI in law? Isn't that a recipe for disaster, like giving a Roomba a law degree and a gavel? And to that I say, look, have you met a lawyer recently? They bill you for sneezing in their general direction. If a robot can do it cheaper, I say let the robot have at it. But seriously folks, the potential here is huge. We're talking faster research, more efficient document review, and maybe, just maybe, a legal system that doesn't move at the pace of a sedated glacier. So buckle up, grab your gavel, and let's dive into the world of AI and the law. Let's talk about legal research. It's tedious and time-consuming. But fear not, dear lawyers, ChatGPT can analyze documents faster than you can save billable hours. It's accurate too, spotting crucial details. Think of ChatGPT as your super-powered research assistant. Let's say you're a lawyer, and you've got a client who's convinced their neighbor's prize-winning begonia is actually a bioengineered weapon. Now you could spend hours, days even, digging through legal databases trying to find any case law remotely related to weaponized begonias. Or you could simply ask ChatGPT. See, ChatGPT can sift through mountains of legal jargon faster than a raccoon in a dumpster. You just give it the keywords: begonia, bioengineered weapon, maybe throw in international espionage for good measure, and boom! ChatGPT will spit out a summary of relevant case law, statutes, and even obscure international treaties on the weaponization of flora. And the best part? ChatGPT doesn't charge by the hour. This means lawyers can be more efficient, more thorough, and most importantly, less likely to pull all-nighters fueled by instant coffee and despair. Let's be honest, folks. Legal documents are basically written in a foreign language. And I'm not talking about Latin, although there's plenty of that too. But fear not, dear viewers, because ChatGPT is here to translate legalese into something resembling plain English. You see, ChatGPT can analyze these documents, identify the important bits, and summarize them in a way that even a toddler could understand. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is the CliffsNotes version of legal analysis. It gives you the key takeaways, highlights the potential pitfalls, and even points out where someone might have accidentally typed buttress instead of buttressed. This means lawyers can spend less time deciphering archaic legal jargon and more time actually doing lawyery things. Let's dive into the thrilling world of legal document drafting, a task so riveting it makes watching paint dry exciting. Traditionally, armies of lawyers meticulously craft documents. But hold on to your horses, because ChatGPT is here to shake things up. ChatGPT can draft and review legal documents faster and more efficiently. Picture this. You're a lawyer and you need to draft a contract. Maybe it's for a simple real estate transaction or a complex merger involving a tech startup. Traditionally, you'd spend hours drafting, but with ChatGPT, it's a breeze. Input key details, and it drafts for you. Tailored, legally sound, and quick. Embrace the future with ChatGPT. Contract review, the bane of every lawyer's existence. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack. Only the haystack is made of legal jargon, and the needle is a misplaced comma that could cost your client millions. But wait, put down the alpaca feed, because ChatGPT is here to rescue you from the depths of contract review despair. That's right, folks. ChatGPT can review contracts faster and more thoroughly than a team of lawyers hopped up on caffeine and fear. How, you ask? Well, ChatGPT can analyze contracts with laser-like precision, identifying potential errors, inconsistencies, and clauses that are about as clear as mud wrestling in a coal mine. It can even flag potential loopholes that could make a used car salesman blush. This means lawyers can say goodbye to eye strain, headaches, and the existential dread that comes with missing a crucial detail buried deep within a mountain of legal text. With ChatGPT, contract review becomes faster, more accurate, and dare I say it, almost enjoyable. Ah, litigation, the heart and soul of the legal profession. The thrill of the courtroom, the clash of legal titans, the drama of it all. Of course, before you get to any of that, there's the small matter of case management. And by small matter I mean a mountain of paperwork, deadlines, and logistical nightmares that would make an air traffic controller break out in a cold sweat. But fret not, dear viewers, because ChatGPT is here to inject some much-needed efficiency into the often chaotic world of litigation and case management. Need to organize discovery documents? ChatGPT can do it faster than you can say objection. Need to schedule depositions, hearings, and meetings with clients who are always too busy to return your calls? ChatGPT's got you covered. With ChatGPT, lawyers can streamline their workflow, stay on top of deadlines, and avoid those embarrassing, "I swear I emailed you that document" moments that make you question your career choices. Depositions, those pre-trial quanta sessions that can make or break a case. They're also notorious for being about as much fun as a root canal performed by a mime. But fear not, dear viewers, because ChatGPT is here to transform depositions from tedious to, dare I say it, almost bearable. You see, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon in the deposition arena. It can analyze mountains of documents, case law, and witness statements to help you craft the perfect line of questioning. Need to trip up a slippery witness? ChatGPT can help you find those inconsistencies that'll make them sweat under the courtroom lights. ChatGPT can also help you anticipate the opposing counsel's strategy, prepare counter-arguments, and even generate those aha moments that make for a truly compelling deposition. Evidence, the lifeblood of any good legal case. But managing mountains of documents, photos, videos, and other digital detritus can make you feel like you're drowning in a sea of paperwork. Enter ChatGPT, your trusty sidekick in the Wild West of evidence management. This AI marvel can analyze, categorize, and summarize even the most unwieldy collection of evidence, making it easier to find that smoking gun, figuratively of course, we don't condone actual smoking guns. Need to find a specific email exchange buried in a terabyte of data? ChatGPT can pinpoint it faster than you can say e-discovery. Need to identify inconsistencies in witness testimony? ChatGPT can spot those contradictions faster than a politician flip-flops on a campaign promise. With ChatGPT, evidence management becomes efficient, organized, and dare I say it, almost enjoyable. So there you have it, folks. The robot uprising has begun, and it's happening in the legal profession. But before you start stocking up on canned goods and building a bunker in your backyard, remember this. ChatGPT isn't here to replace lawyers. It's here to make their lives easier, more efficient, and hopefully a little less soul-crushing. Think of it as a partnership. Lawyers bring the legal expertise, the strategic thinking, and the ability to wear a suit without looking like they're headed to a middle school dance. ChatGPT brings the raw processing power, the tireless work ethic, and the ability to say billable hours without a hint of irony.